In this video, I want to show you how to zoom in, zoom out on your DJI Action 6 Osmo camera. So once you're in video mode, make sure you have the small video camera over here. You're gonna notice that on the lower right side, you have 1x. This is for the zoom. If you want to zoom in, simply double tap the 1x. Okay, and as you see right now, it's zoomed in. If you want to go back, do the same thing and it will go from 2x to 1x. It will zoom out. And now another thing that I need to mention is that you can also change the field of view. All right, so if you tap over here where you see your resolution 4K 30 in my case, and then you tap on the top over here, top right corner, you may see multiple options depending which kind of stabilization you have. So let's say I put, I don't know, rock steady over here, and on the right side, I can have a standard view. I can have natural wide, which as you see, it's capturing a lot more of the landscape. In a way, some people may call it zoom out. You also have wide, and ultra wide, which will give you the largest field of view. So you see, if I select standard, it's almost as it's zooming in comparing to ultra wide. So this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, please take a moment, comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.